When we expect a very high amount of sand and silt for an intake application in the desert, for example, we will face some problems with the sand and silt intrusions from the layer, but also from swirl up when having a very sharp startup. We face this when we do a direct online connection or when we have a star-delta starting method. We would recommend in this case having a CUE, it's a Grundfos variable speed drive, in order to have a slow starting ramp which will not swirl up this sand and silt. And also with the CUE you can adapt the maximum operating speed and adjust also at site in order to have a clean water flow out from the well all the time. A recommendation for the mechanical properties of the pump would be having a silicone bearings for the pump, so you would have it here. And for the motor, we highly recommend to have a triple sealing, which is a combination of silicone carbide mechanical shaft, a lip seal, and a sand slinger in addition. When we have a look at the cooling sleeve, which is around the motor, the purpose here, it's not only for the cooling the motor, where we recommend 0.50 meters per second as a minimum flow velocity. When we have a lot of sand, we would recommend to set up this limit to 0.5 meter per second in order to avoid settling down sand and silt in the borehole and around the pump well. In order to have a complete package for such an installation, we would recommend that you use a Grundfos remote management system which is capable of doing the whole monitoring and reporting and sensor reading, also from external sources. And you will always know the status of your pump equipment all the time.